So as predicted by the Maverick in my capacity as the village lawyer, QC, Chris Gale won his defamation case against the Australian media conglomerate Fairfax Media. And as me said from day one, when that lady take the stand, our story sounds shaky. The fact that she could not produce a witness who saw the incident, or even a witness who saw her in the moments after the incident. And there was not enough evidence to prove that the story was true. So Chris Gale will be laughing all the way to the bank. But this finding by the jury that the Australian media houses acted with malice towards the universe boss. I see him, so it go. The atmosphere at the time was highly charged with that "don't blush baby" controversy, where Gale publicly propositioned the Australian journalist in a post-match interview, and the whole of Australia was out to get Chris Gale. It was in the heat of that moment that this lady's story, that was supposed to have happened months before, all of a sudden, this story comes to light. The newspaper see it and say, yes, we find the clincher now to bury Chris Gale, and run go publish it without any real evidence of truth. And not even a female judge and the 3 out of the 4 female jurors could have saved it. Anyway, universe boss. See my thing, yeah? Yes. Yeah, what you mean? Yes, yes, yes. I mean, invoice. Finish now, you have to get paid too. That's what you mean. That don't mean the case for you. I mean, tell you that this witness not credible, and there were inconsistencies in her statements, and she was put up to it. Yes, universe boss. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, man, yes, man, yes, yes, universe boss. Yeah. Eh? How much upon the invoice? 100,000? Yes, man. No, 100,000 US for your top boss. Hold on. You think village lawyer work easy? 100,000? All right, me take 80. 80. Yeah, yeah.